Hey folks, what's going on? I'm gonna do a quick, short little video on this fan that I just bought, ceiling fan by Harbor Breeze. It's called the Wellsboro. Item number, or product number, whatever it is. I got this at one of the big box stores. I don't know if you're allowed to say that stuff on YouTube or not, but it's the big hardware store with the blue sign called Lowe's. That's where I got this one. It's $99. It matches our bathroom perfectly with that brushed nickel and then whatever that color is called. But it also comes with the blue or the brown blades as well. Some of the reviews were saying that the light is way too bright, but as you'll see in our bathroom, it actually is pretty decent. I think our bathroom's already pretty bright to begin with, so I'll show you the bathroom here now. So here we are in the bathroom now. As you can see, for us, it matched our color's pretty good. They'd put a black one in here, it looked awful. They turned some lights on. There's the light. People said how bright it was, but I don't know, it's kind of bright. But turn all these. There's all the other lights. You can see how bright it is. But the it's a 48 inch. I didn't say that in the beginning, but I really like it. Brushed nickel, puts out a ton of air, which for this space, you know, it's not a huge room, but it is a good size for a bathroom. So 48 inch is perfect, I thought. We do got that window in there, so my wife in the closet speaking of Spanish. There it is, folks. It was easy to install. I think it looks good. Color's nice. Breeze is good. The light's good. For $100, if you need a nice little ceiling fan for a smaller space, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.